Alright, good evening guys. I'm going to do a unboxing of a knife by a gentleman called Sam the Cooking Guy on YouTube. Love this guy. His videos are very entertaining. I've learned a lot of stuff, a lot of recipes from his videos on YouTube. Very different from most people. Him and his son are hilarious. But this is the Sam the Cooking Guy 7-inch Nakiri. Comes in this very nice box. The shipping box is already opened up. Says best day ever. And inside it says live your best knife. Very nice play of words. Alright, sorry about that. Yeah. Alright, this is the knife here. Alright. Comes with a little card here. In the back is a little message. Go ahead and pause it if you want to read it. Alright. Let's put that to the side. And there it is. Look at this thing here. Beautiful knife. I can tell right off the bat this thing is solid. Compared to any knife that I have here in the house, this thing looks way better. Alright. Yeah, right off the rip, this thing is super solid. Feels way better than the one I have. Alright, this is one flush piece. Alright, there's the logo right there. Alright, there's a knife. Has his signature at the top with the 7-inch Nakiri. Comes like in a little vinyl sleeve. Alright. Logo comes with a plastic edge protector. I'm assuming that's what it is. Alright, there you go. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, this is definitely going to be used. I'm not going to cook anything today or cut anything today. My brother's been bugging me to start doing some cooking videos. I am no professional chef by any means, but I am a home chef working on my craft. I've cooked certain little things. Like I can grill. That's my thing. I love grilling. But I also wanted to work on prepping and all kinds of stuff like that, and I didn't feel like I had the proper tools. This one's definitely a good one. It's very sharp into it. Yeah, super sharp. Yeah. So this is definitely gonna come in handy. So stay tuned for future videos. I'm going to finally break that that wall and start recording some of my my cooking and grilling. And yeah, definitely go check this gentleman out, Sam the Cooking Guy on YouTube. Very funny videos, very informative videos, tons of different recipes and different styles. Trust me, he covers all areas. You can find the link on some of his videos for this knife. You can also go to thecookingguy.com, like I said here. Alright, and you can purchase this knife. I believe I paid 70 something for it, so it wasn't that bad. Got here fairly quick, and I am highly pleased. So definitely check him out. Sam, if you are watching this video, thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing more of your videos. And on that note, you guys be safe, have a happy new year, and I'll see you next time. Later.